Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in our today video we will be providing you the solution of networking 101 lab. It is a part of the arcade June level 1. So please participate in the arcade June 2024 program. If you have any additional doubt, please comment to this video and subscribe to our channel for getting these amazing solutions. Let's get started. Click on the Start Lab button. Copy the password from here. Open the Google Cloud Console in an incognito window. Click on the Next button. Now paste your password here and now click on the Next button. Now click on I understand. Now tick the checkbox and click on the I agree and continue. Now open the Cloud Shell. Now click on the continue. Now go back to the lab instructions. Scroll it down. And copy this command. Your region might differ. Copy this command according to your lab instructions. Now paste your command here and press enter. Click on authorize. Now go back to the lab instruction. Now we have to review the default network. For that, go to the Cloud Console. Minimize the size of shell. Go to the navigation menu and select VPC network. Now you can see that there is a default VPC network. We have to customize it. Now go to the firewall at the sidebar. Now you can see that there are default firewall policies. Now go to the again go to the navigation menu, VPC network, and from the VPC network you have to go to diodes. Now select the network, default, and region. Now go back to the lab instruction. So from here my region is 0 West 1. So I will select according to that. Now click on the view button at the side. Now you can view the layouts. Now go back to the lab instruction. So our task 1 is completed. So for the task 2, you can create a custom network from by following these command, or you can use the Cloud Shell also for creating the custom network. So we will use the Cloud Shell. For that, copy the first command, go to the Cloud Console and maximize the size of the Cloud Shell and paste the command here and press enter. Now it is taking few seconds. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy the first command here and paste it here and press enter. By running this command, you are creating the subnet region with an IP perfect. So go back to the lab instruction, copy the second command and paste it here and press enter. Go back to the lab instruction, copy the third command, paste it here and press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy this fourth command, paste it here and press enter. Now you can see that three subnets are created. So now you can go back to the lab instruction. Now we will be adding firewall rules. For that you can do this manual method, or you can follow the firewall rule using the Cloud Shell. So we will follow the Cloud Shell way. Copy this command, paste it here and press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, scroll it down, copy this command, paste it here and press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy this command, paste it here and press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy this Cloud Shell command, paste it here and press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy the command, paste it here and press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, click on check my progress. You will get a green tick here. Now we will be doing the task 6. For that, copy this command, paste it here and press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy the second command, Paste it here and press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction. Copy this command. Paste it here and press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction. Click on check my progress. You will get a green tick here. Now you have to verify connect the VM instance. For that, go to the cloud console. Minimize the size of shell. Go to the navigation menu. Go to the custom engine. Now here you can see different SSH options. So just click the SSH button corresponding to US test 01. For that, for the first option, click on the SSH option. Now this open an SSH connection to the instance in a new window. Now you can close this message. So this is opened. Now go back to the lab instructions. Copy this command and paste it in the SSH window. So this is task has performed. This task has been performed. Now you can minimize the size of cloud SSH. Now run this command to use the ICMP echo against the US test 03, adding the external IP address for the VM line. So you can click on the US test 03 SSH window. Let it open. Now go back to the lab instructions and scroll it down and copy this fourth command. Paste it in the SSH window and this task is performed. Now go back to the lab instructions, scroll it down, copy the first command, go to the SSH the test 01, paste the command here and press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction. Yeah, now you can see that the task 7 is optional, but we will do it. Now for this step, go back to the using the US test 01 and US test 02 VM SSH into both of them. Now copy this command and go to the SSH window, paste the command here and press enter. Now this command is done. So go back to the lab instruction, copy this command, paste it here and press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction. So this 8 task is also optional. We will perform you for you. Now copy this command, paste it here and hit the press key. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy this command, paste it here and press enter. Now it is taking time. Now go back to the lab instructions. Now this is all the tasks are optional. You doesn't have any check my progress button. You have only check my progress here. To check my progress we have done all the tasks. Now you can end this lab. So click on the end lab button and the lab is end. Now go back to the level 1 cloud networking. Now open this. Now you can see that the networking 01 we get a green tick here. So subscribe to our channel for getting this amazing lab solution, and like the video and share the video to those friends whosoever is participating in the arcade program. And if you have any additional doubt, you can comment to this video. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in my next video.